Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock. So, in 2019, the Ram got a huge refresh. This one, the Classic, is the previous generation, just with some little updates here and there. Sticker price of $43,440. Not bad at all. This looks like velvet red, but I'm not sure if that's a Jeep color. Delmonico red, that's what they call it. It's the same basic thing. This is also octane red, but each brand has their own name for it. Pretty sure this is like a cup holder, or just a little tray. Coin holder. And then this is a bench seat as well. Let's go for a drive. This one is fitted with the 3.6 liter V6. You can get the 5.7 in these. But the V6 feels plenty for what this is. Now I know in a normal market these things lease out for like next to nothing. I think before the whole chip shortage, I think we had like $200 a month with very, very little down. So these things lease out for nothing. Looks like a Trackhawk. Yep. I so should have went there. Well, hello. 355 GTS. It's one of my all-time favorite Ferraris. In all honesty, the ride is really not bad at all, especially for a truck. You can sit here and be nitpicky all you want and be like, oh, well, it's not a luxury car. No, it's a truck. I could drive this thing all day and be perfectly comfortable. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.